Hey guys! Today I want to make one of the most delicious and traditional dishes in Persian cuisine, which is called abgusht. This beloved meal is a delightful combination of the most tender meat and potatoes, vegetables, spices, and legumes. So let's start it! The traditional abgusht is cooked and served in this clay pot that is called dizi. But because it's made difficult for you to have such a clay pot, I use a regular soap pot. Peeling one large potato, we have one tomato and chop it. If you like such videos, please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Peeling one clove garlic, 2 medium onion and cutting on the top of them. Unripe sour grapes, which is called qure in Persia. About half a cup chickpeas and white beans, which we should put them in the water the night before. (250 gram lamb leg muscles and lamb shank), put them in the soap pot. Chickpeas and beans, onions, garlic, pour 8 cup water. Add half a tablespoon turmeric. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Now remove foam with a spoon. Then we are gonna let it cook for 3 hours. Now it's been cooking and simmering, and it's time that we are gonna add potato. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, unripe sour grapes, chopped tomatoes, also 7 color spice, half a tablespoon, dried lim powder or limu amani powder, half a tablespoon. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Reduce the heat and let them cook for another 2 hours until potato and meat are both completely tender. Now it's the time to serve it. First, take the broth out with a ladle. This broth is for the part of the serve that is called tlit, when we making pieces of bread and put them in there. Use a fork to pull off the meat off the bones. Be careful not to leave tiny bones in the bottom of the pot. Then use this tool, we call it gushkub. If you don't have it, you can use a potato masher to mash meat, beans and potato. This is called gushkubide. Very good. Make food with love to make it delicious.